All right, guys. So in this video, I want to teach you one of the most simplest way of how you can trade BTC chart, like without giving yourself unnecessary headache. This is the most simplest way to trade BTC USDT. Let's go right into it. Move closer. So this is BTC USDT chart, okay? And what I look out for is very simple. Number one is that I look out for the trend. So what trend is market trend? Is market going? Of course, market is going in an uptrend right now, okay? So I've been able to identify about, just by it going from this place, by it moving from this place up to this place, I've taken about 3 trades. And I'll show you, of course, I'll show you the results. I'm taking about 3 trades. I'm currently on the 3rd trade. I couldn't make much money from this particular point, so I think and it's been a while. This one was since last year, but this current, so I'll be sharing you these 2 results. So how did I get these particular results? So it's very simple. All you need to do is just go to your D1 time frame at first, so that you will know the market trend. All right. Now, initially, if you have been following my weekly analysis, I do a quick analysis on our Signal, on our Telegram channel, so you can join, telling you guys that okay, market is going to approach this 94k zone, and from this 94k zone, if market break through, okay, it's going to approach what 99k zone. And as you can see, so what I did is that since I've established that market is going to come to 94k zone, all I need to do as a trader is to look for my entry, my long entry. So what I did was that I go to my lower time frame since I've established my trend. All right, now I have a strategy that myself and our students are using. All right, it's called open and close strategy. Some people use order block, okay, but I don't use order block. I use open and close strategy. So what I do is that I pick my entry from this place. If you're a student, I believe you already know what I'm talking about. So what I did was just picking my entry from this zone. I pick my entry from the open and close of the swing. All right, so I pick my entry from here. So I have my entry around 9448, but I think I entered at 9600 because when I checked the market was already, it has picked the entry and I didn't place my limit order, so I had to enter at 9600. So just a little bit above my entry, a little bit. You can see just this is 9448 and I entered at 9600. Okay, and I shared all of this analysis on our Telegram channel, so it's not something new, but I'm just showing you how you can do the same thing. So it's as simple as you just following the market trend, and of course you must get your entry right, because if you don't get your entry right, then it's going to be a problem. All right, so I did my first TP around this particular price. Okay, that was around 90, I think 93,600. Okay, 93,600. Okay, which is up approximately 4.0%. I use 50x though because of BTC. Now, why did I take my TP from here? Now, if you go to our time frame here, you'll be seeing that we have a resistance here. All right, so that was why I took my TP from there. All right, now after then, I said that what happens here will determine our next move. And what happened? Market broke through that particular trend, and after market breaking through, what do I need to do? I need to look for another trend. Okay, so market broke through a structure. Markets will definitely let me use the word definitely. We most times, okay, we test that particular structure. So what market did right here was retesting the structure. So market did this. Okay, market did this. Maybe I might display my previous analysis on this particular screen, and of course display the results too. All right, so market did this particular retest. We did this retest, and I saw it at the right time. So what do I need to do? I need to look for my entry. So I went down to 50 minutes time frame. Okay, and as usual, I picked my entry from a particular strategy that has been working for me. Okay, you can't see this particular strategy anywhere. It has been working for me since 3 years ago now, and I'm teaching our students this particular strategy. So all I need to do is just to pick my entry from there. Okay, I pick my entry from here this way. All right, I might be sharing the analysis with you guys on this screen. Maybe you'll be seeing it somewhere on this screen. Okay, and then I put my long position tool here. My stop loss will be below, away from the swing. I think I use about 1.5%, and my TP all the way to this place. Okay, which is the 99k zone. All right, however, I do take take my TP along the way. I don't just wait for my final TP before I take TP. Okay, I only did that here. I didn't take any TP until the final one, but this one I already took TP1. Okay, around this zone, around this price, I take 97,600. Yes, 97,600. Okay, and you can see the market actually retraced back. Now there is no break of structure yet. Market is here to break this particular structure. So what we are looking for is the market is going to still retrace back. In as much as this is a mini resistance, of course, is weak, so market can easily break it. And this zone is our point of interest. This zone is a point of interest. I'm looking for my rectangular tool. Okay, so this whole zone is our point of interest. So right now, market has reacted to this particular swing. It has reacted to this particular swing, and this one is the next one. This one is the next one. So what you need to do right now is that you are using the latest swing to actually get your entry. So for example, now if maybe you are currently not, I'm still currently on this trade, okay, for my TP1 now, which means that I'm taking the third trade. My first trade was this, my first trade was this, my second was this, and here is my third. So assuming you're not on the market, like you're not in the market now, what you can do is that you can take your entry right from this place. Okay, so now you can decide to use other block or use whatever thing that works for you. So me, I'm using the thing that works for me, and it has working for me for years. And the interesting part is that this particular open and close strategy of mine also work alongside other block when you go to a higher time frame. So all I need to do is just to put my entry here if you're not in the market yet. All right, and then your stop loss will go below the old zone already, so that's okay. If market comes to this place, then it's a break of structure. All right, so I'm now going to do my TP all the way up back. So it's as simple as what you are doing on BTC. To trade BTC, it's not really that hard. It's just that sometimes the problem is waiting, the patience that you don't have. Okay, so all we are doing on this chart now is trading retracements. Okay, markets go up, retrace back, pick your entry from that retracement, and then markets go up back. I hope you get the gist. So guys, this is the most simplest way in which anyone can trade BTC without giving yourself unnecessary headache. All you need to do is just to know the trend, then trade alongside the trend. You can also use this for pairs like ETH, Solana, SRP, but BTC is the most effective way because BTC also controls most of all these other pairs. All right, so this way works for both bullish and it works for both bearish. All you need to do is just trading the retracements. Now the hard part might be in the waiting, or might be in not having the exact strategy that you use for your entering price. Like I said, I personally use open and close. Some other people use other block. It depends on what works for you. All right, so if you learned something from this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it to one trader that might, of course, this video might be of help to. And if you have anything you want me to talk about, maybe you have any concern or any topic you want me to touch, don't mind to drop it in the comment section. See you again in some other video. Peace.